Friends, today we are going to see the experiment of solar eclipse. The material needed for this project is a big ball, one clay, a sketch pen, a pencil, a small ball and a torch. So let's get started. First, we have to put the pencil in the clay and we have to draw lines on this ball. So we keep in the pencil and we mark this dot as equator. So this is our moon, this is our earth and this is our sun. So we can see that the moon's shadow falls on the earth and the sun's hide. So solar eclipse found. A solar eclipse occurs on the new moon day if the sun, the moon and the earth are on the same plane or in the one line. The solar eclipse occurs. The maximum time of total solar eclipse is 7 minutes 20 seconds. If you like this video, like, comment, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.